Want to create this effect? Let's start. Create a new composition. Add your text. Align it to the center. Make sure to uncheck the stroke. Add slow fade on effect. To make the animation shorter, bring the keyframes a bit closer. Add another effect named Increase Tracking. Place the first keyframe in the start and the other one in the end of the clip. Select both keyframes and hit F9. Select both keyframes and hit F9 for this one too. Add another effect named Fade Out Slow. Add a second keyframe for this one in the end. And change its value to 100. Select both keyframes and hit F9. Now for the blood effect, create a new solid layer. Change the color to your preferences. After that, add fractal noise effect to this layer. Copy my settings. Change its trackmate to your text layer. We have successfully added our blood effect, but we are still missing its motion. For that, hold Alt button and click this stopwatch, and add the following expression. To add stroke, duplicate the layer, turn on its stroke and uncheck the fill. Make sure to make it visible by clicking that eye icon. Now for the glow, pre-compose all the layers. Add deep glow effect to this layer. Copy my settings. Thanks for watching. And do subscribe for more tutorials.